Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you're all doing well out there and staying warm. We headed down to my off-grid property in Mojave County, Arizona to get away from the weather back at home. It looks like we got a few inches, so it's nice and warm down here. We decided to build this shelving unit for our shipping container. I'm just measuring out to put some side shelving out of some scrap here that I can put our spray paints on. But this shelf turned out pretty good. We screwed it on the outside of the container through into the 2x4s, so it's nice and secure to the wall, as well as we'll be adding some additional shelving here and there on the unit. But this is a nice area to hang our levels and our squares, put our tape measures on that little shelf there. But in this section at the rear of the container, this is going to be our solar room. We're calling it the Juice Shack. It's roughly 8x8. We are going to be insulating it and putting some electrical that we can run off the inverters down the road, as well as put an AC in. But we're happy about this shelf unit we built. We got the lighting hooked up for the desk area, so that's a nice little area to put all our hand tools and an area to kick back at, as well as we stocked up to frame the room in the rear of the container. Just have some more painting to do. We're going to be painting everything white in here. So this is the overhead lighting we got pulled over so we can get some additional lighting to the rear for now. That's running off the charge controller off the DC load side. So at night it's pretty lit in here. It's good enough for now. But this is our solar section here. It's just one 12-volt battery. And we are going to be OSB siding the room in the back and painting that white. We also stocked up to start framing the shower room, but we got into some weather down here, so we got a little bit of rain. But we're kind of doing a layout, and I'm going to trim up this tree here. We're trying to save as much as we can, but it's in the way to frame the first wall up that we're going to start on. So for now, hopefully that's out of the way. But we finally got some rain, as I was saying, down here. Hopefully it helps out with the grading and the dust, because we did have the property graded. But for now, we got that first wall up, the 2x6 wall, and in the coming week we're going to be framing the rest of it out and getting it dried in, hopefully getting the siding on as well as the roof. But it didn't rain too bad down here. It did get pretty cold. I was sleeping in my van and it got down to I believe it was 36 degrees in my van. My dad sleeps in, we call it the bum hut. It's a little cabin that the property came with. But we're happy about the rain. And we're going to start framing up the Juice Shack, the solar room here. It's a pretty solid unit now with it all framed out. We do have some brackets that are attached to the side walls. We may come in later and screw into the walls from the outside, but we do have the plates screwed down. I'm cooking up some pork here and some rice, as well as getting a cocktail going. You gotta have that after work. Gotta relax and enjoy what we did. I also got some broccoli cooking here. Really good meal, turned out excellent. I love this little dish. It's my second time cooking it down here, and both times it turned out pretty good. In time, we're gonna get some LED lights set up once we get the power into the cabin room. So, and we normally run these lights off my solar system now from the outhouse. We have some lights in the front and the back for nighttime. But I'm happy with the framing, how the solar room turned out. Everything's tight and right and really strong. Got the backing in for the OSB to go up on the roof, as well as I got the rest of the screws in the bottom plate installed. So we're basically ready to start insulating and throwing some OSB up. We also got the electrical in. We'll have a few circuits in there that will run off the inverter once it's installed. And we have the AC started for the framing. So once we get a unit, we'll tightly fit it and cut the metal section out of the container when the time comes. But here's some of the electrical that got installed. So there's just 2 circuits in here, but it'll be a nice insulated room for the summertime. Keep the solar equipment cool and warm when it needs to be. So we're happy with all that. I'm happy with the height we got out of the lid there, that we can put some totes up there and have some additional storage. So that turned out great. As well as I'm getting the insulation installed here. The AC's framed pretty large because we're not sure what size we're going to be putting in. But for now, I'll leave you guys with that, and I appreciate you guys watching our videos. I hope everybody's healthy and happy out there, and I appreciate, again, watching. I hope you all subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. I'll leave you with this beautiful sunset here, and take care, everybody. God bless.